Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine. So welcome to my YouTube channel Twitter Physics. Basically, today we will discuss about the geothermal energy, what is the geothermal energy and its use, and the ways we obtain from which. So first of all, we try and geothermal energy. Book says a natural resources and form of energy conversion in which heat energy from within the earth is captured and harnessed for cooking, bathing, space heating, electrical power generation and other uses. Okay. Heat from earth is interior generated surface phenomenon such as the lava flows, geysers, fumaroles, hot springs, and mud modes. The heat is produced mainly by the radioactive decay of potassium, thorium, and uranium in earth crust and mantle, and also by friction generated along the margins of central plates. The subsequent annual low-grade heat flow to the surface average between 50 and 70 milliwatt per square meter worldwide. In contrast, incoming solar radiation striking Earth's surface provides 342 watt per square meter annually. Okay, the next is the geothermal heat energy can be recovered and exploited for human use, and it is available anywhere on Earth's surface. The estimated energy that can be recovered and utilized on the surface is 4.5 multiple 10 to the power 6 exajoules, or about 1.4 multiple 10 to the 6 terawatt year, which equates the regularly three times the world's annual consumption of all types of energy. The amount of usable energy from geothermal sources varies with depth and by extraction method. Okay, and the increase in the temperature of rocks and other material underground average 20 to 30 degrees Celsius or 36 to 54 Fahrenheit per kilometer, zero point 0.6 mile depth worldwide in the upper part of the lithosphere, and this rate of increase is much higher in most of the earth known geothermal areas. Normally, heat extraction requires a fluid or a steam to bring the energy to the surface. Locating and developing geothermal resources can be challenges. This is especially true for the high temperature resources needed for generating electricity. Such resources are typically limited to the part of the world characterized by the recent volcanic activity, are located along the plate boundaries or within the crystals hotspots. Even though there is a continuous source of heat within the earth, the extraction rate of the heated fluid and the steam can be exceed to the replenishment rate. At this, use of the resources must be managed systemically. Use, we will discuss about the use of the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy use can be divided into the three categories: direct use applications, geothermal heat pumps, GHPS, and electric power generation. The next is the direct use. Probably the most widely used set of the applications involve the direct use of heated water from the ground without the need for any specialized equipment. All direct use applications make use of low temperature geothermal resources, which range between about 50 and 150 degrees Celsius, about 122 and 302 Fahrenheit. Such low temperature geothermal water and steam have been used to warm single building as well as whole district where numerous buildings are heated for a central supply sources. In addition, many swimming pools, balneological facilities, ad space, greenhouses, and agriculture pond around the world have been heated with geothermal resources. Other direct use of geothermal energy include cooking, industrial applications such as the dry fruit vegetables and timber, milk pasteurization, and large-scale snow melting. For many of those activities, hot water is often used directly in the heating system, or it may be used in conjunction with the heat exchanger, which transfer heat. Then the heat are probabilities, minerals and gas such as the hydrogen sulfide mixed in with the fluid. Okay, next is the geothermal heat pumps. Geothermal heat pumps take advantage of relatively stable moderate temperature condition that occur within the first 300 meters, 1000 feet of the surface to heat building in the winter and cold than the summer. in the part of the lithosphere, rocks and groundwater occur at the temperature between the 5 and 30 degrees Celsius, I think 41 and 86 Fahrenheit. At shallower depth, with the most of GHFs are found such as within the 6 meter. Okay, this was our topic of geothermal equilibrium. Hope you will be understand. In the next lecture we will discuss about some other topics. And friends, if you did not subscribe my channel, then hurry up subscribe the physics Twitter. Allah Hafiz.